would like to request Dr. Naveen Nicholas Garu to share his words about this program.
Good morning to all the dignitaries on the dais, and good morning to all the teachers of tribal welfare department who are also the charges of the computer labs and the schools of the department. Welcome you all for this 3-day program. At the outset, I would like to thank our Commissioner Madam, because it is Commissioner Madam who has conceptualized the entire program. And after the Madam has joined in the last 1.5 years, we see change. I mean, in two fronts. One is on digital education side. Out of the 319 schools that we have already set up computer labs and e-schools in almost 50% of the institutions. 150 of the institutions we have already set up full-fledged computer labs and e-schools in the last 1.5 years. And the second front is on capacity building and training programs. After Madam has joined, she has been successful in partnering with the NGOs and with government organizations and also with the DOPT, and we have been successful in getting a huge project of training all the entire staff of all the departments. DOPT, we got a very good project. Under that project, we would be training each and every staff of the department, from class 4, from teachers, from HMs. That program is underway, and some of the HMs have already completed that training. So on the capacity building and training front and the digital education, there has been a lot of change. And I thank the Nirman Foundation for extending their help for training our HMs, the teachers who are the in charges for the labs and also the schools. I also thank PMI and Infosys Head and all the Software Association staff who are here. We thank you on behalf of Tribal Welfare Department for this wonderful initiative. So basically, మీ అందరికీ ఈరోజు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎందుకు పిలిచారంటే మన 150 schools లో 100 schools లో మనము computer labs పెట్టినాం, and it is for the first time that we have set up a beautiful computer lab in our schools. I mean, we have designed it in such a way that everything is there in that project. I mean, we have conceptualized that in such a way in collaboration with TSTS that it is not just computer lab. We have supplied the computers, the furniture associated with it, the electricity work that goes with it, the LAN, the computer textbooks, the faculty, everything is coupled. We have designed it as a project. So we have designed it as a project, and it has been set up in our 100 schools. It's a full-fledged package where internet also we are providing, and it's a full-fledged package, and the faculty is also being positioned by TSTS, and everything is there. It is like a turnkey project. So in 100 schools we set up adi kaakunda 50 schools we have set up satellite-based education. We have set up a studio in Hyderabad in our office, and it is a two-way communication system. We get the best of the teachers from the market and we teach from Hyderabad. It is telecast live via satellite to 50 of our schools. And the best thing is it is on a two-way satellite thing. So Mana TV is again only one way. We have our own channel. It is developed by Tribal Welfare. It is a two-way communication thing where the student can pose questions to the faculty who is delivering lecture from Hyderabad. So that's, I think, for the first time in the country we have developed that. And our vision is to take it up to 100 institutions in the next year, and to set up computer labs in all 319 institutions. So already as a part of this package, TSTS would be helping us in terms of faculty, both for e-schools and for computer labs. TSTS is partnering with us, and they have already positioned the faculty or the lab in charges for you. But they would be there with us only for a period of 3 years. So in these 3 years, we want to identify the best teachers who can help us to teach from our studio. That is one thing. The second thing is we would also like to identify the teachers who can manage the entire lab. Probably you might get some additional support also, but we want the regular teachers to get into the role of managing the entire lab, managing the entire e-studio, because the department has invested a lot of money, close to 30 to 33 crores we have spent in setting up this in 150 institutions. So our idea is to identify one of the best teachers in the institution and make him responsible for the lab, and also make him responsible for the eStudio, so that even when TSTS slowly pulls out, by the time, still we have time, we are only in the second year of the project, we almost have 1.5 years. So in this 1.5 year, we want to train each one of you. Probably we will focus more on the teachers who are made in charges for the labs, who are made in charges for the e-schools, and we would also take up training for the remaining teachers as well, so that once TSTS goes out of the project, you will be there to teach that computer science subject to the students. Each one of you might deal a class. Some of the teachers along with you, they would be dealing some other classes. So that's our idea. That is one of the reasons why we have called all of you. And I'm happy that Nirman has organized such a good program. So we have been in touch with them. We have given them a detailed list of topics to be covered, and probably last day we'll be taking most of the time from the department side and also from TSTS. So last day mostly we would be talking to you along with some experts from TSTS. Bennett and Coleman also is helping us in this project. They will also be joining on the last day to help you. And good material is also being prepared by the department. On the last day you will be getting good material on the computer lab and also on the e-schools, so that you can operate it on your own. ఎవరు లేకున్నా కానీ మీరు ఎవరి మీద డిపెండ్ కాకుండా మీ ల్యాబ్ని మీరే నడిపించేటట్టు ఉండాలి, ఈ స్కూల్ కూడా మీరే నడిపించేటట్టు ఉండాలి. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ సింపుల్. సో మీరే అన్ని చేసుకొని మీకు సహకారం అందించడానికి డీటెయిల్డ్ మెటీరియల్ కూడా డిపార్ట్మెంట్ తయారు చేస్తుంది, మీకు లాస్ట్ డే ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ బ్యాచ్ వీ హ్యావ్ కాల్డ్ 75 of our teachers whom we have identified and whom we have designated as the in-charges for the labs and in-charges for the satellite studios. And in the next batch, another 75 would come, probably in the first week of December, I guess. And with that, we will be completing this project. And idi kaakunda, there is another program today that we are organizing, that is GOAL program, Going Online program. This program is also an initiative by the Government of India, and Commissioner Madam has taken initiative, and she has convinced Nirman and PMI to partner with us. So ee program lo enti ante mana post matric hostels unnayi. Apart from schools and hostels, we also run post matric hostels. We run 150 post matric hostels where the students pursuing graduation, sometimes intermediate and post graduation, they stay with us. They study in the nearby government college and they stay with us. We only provide them the food and accommodation. So we have already identified degree second year and final year students. 150 we have identified. So by taking help of Nirman and PMI, we want to help them. We want Nirman and PMI to identify 25 mentors each. The mentor can be from the software industry, they can be from the ITS sector also. So Nirman and PMI would identify 25 mentors each, and to each mentor we would tag 3 students who are ST girls who are pursuing graduation second year, final year. And the role of the mentor would be to guide the student using communication tools like WhatsApp and Facebook and all. And this program would be there for around 10 months. So by the time they complete their graduation, the digital skills, making them learn digital skills, and also helping them on some modules of HRMS or ITES, IT module, whatever it is, which helps them to get a job once they complete the graduation. So basically it's a virtual learning sort of thing, where the mentor would be associated with our student probably on Saturdays and Sundays, and just guide them, share them some documents, notes, PPTs, and just help them to prepare for their next option after the graduation is over. So we would be signing the MOU today after the inaugural session is over. And I once again thank the organizers, Monica Garu, and everybody who has helped us in this program. And me under kuda one request from my side is, please concentrate well, learn well, because you are going to head the school. ఆ స్కూల్ ల్యాబ్ మొత్తం మీరే బాధ్యత, మీరే నడిపియాలి. మీకు అన్నీ తెలుసుంటేనే మీ టీచర్స్ని మీరు గైడ్ చేయగలుగుతారు. వాళ్ళతో ఎట్లా పని తీసుకోవాలి, ఎట్లా మీకు గవర్నమెంట్ నుంచి ఇంత డబ్బు ఖర్చు పెట్టడం డిజిటల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ పని ఎక్కడ జరగలేదు. ల్యాబ్స్ పెట్టినారు కానీ ఇంతకుముందు కంప్యూటర్స్ ఇచ్చేస్తుంటే, బట్ చెప్పేటోళ్ళు లేకుంటుండే, బుక్స్ లేకుంటుండే, చాలా రకాల ఇబ్బంది పడ్డాం. బట్ ఫర్ ది ఫస్ట్ టైం గవర్నమెంట్ has invested such a huge money, close to 30 crores in only 150 institutions. And that is all the facilities facilities వచ్చినాయి ఇప్పుడు. You have a projector, you have a Xerox machine, you have everything. You have a beautiful lab. Now it is up to you to make use of the facilities and help the students, and you have to believe that you can teach them on par with the private schools, because government is ready to give them all the facilities. Please concentrate and learn all the skills that are necessary for you to administer the lab or the school, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.